Peace and love, beautiful people. I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. I'm outside, actually. I'm sun gazing. Not sun gazing, but I'm just like in the sun, meditating in the sun this AM. In this video, I want to talk about the importance of nature and, why it's important to be connected to nature. Nature is an exact reflection of who we are. Who we are reflects nature in terms of our hair. Like our hair grows from the same place the grass and the flowers grow from the ether. The sun is a reflection of our higher self. Getting your dose of nature every day is important, at least 10 minutes a day. Most of the world's population, a lot of people don't like, especially in the United States, do not like to be outside. The new development in houses, they don't make the houses with backyards anymore. Like there's no backyards at all. And I found that to be my struggle in finding a house because they just removed the backyards completely. You just want to make sure that you're not allowing technology to keep you away from connecting with your spirit. Again, nature is a beautiful way to connect with your spirit, with your higher self. And yeah, yo, yeah, you don't know how, yeah. The hawks visit me, y'all, because it is my spirit animal or part of the bird tribe. And it also just tells me when I am, if you listen to my video from yesterday, I talked about when you know the signs that you are in the fifth dimension. But being connected to nature, we have to understand that nature was here before any being, you know? Nature was created. And so it would be equally important for us to spend that time outdoors. The dirt is powerful. Even the trees are powerful. The trees hold lots of information and also have release mechanisms that allows you to release things that's no longer serving you. The dirt can be used as a tool for grounding. The sun gives you more energy. You can actually feed off the sun. When I started my spiritual, when I started walking my spiritual journey, I actually started sun gazing, and it literally replaced my food. So I'm not saying that's what I'm doing now, but I was guided to connect to the sun, been guided to meditate in the sun with my eyes closed. So again, nature is very important, and getting your dose of nature every day. If you incorporate, if you incorporate nature in your daily routine, you will definitely see a shift in your life. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.